In 1922, a biologist named Charles observed a peculiar phenomenon in the Sahara. He noticed that the fennec fox, with its oversized ears, wasn't just for hearing. These ears dissipated heat, keeping the fox cool. Meanwhile, the camel, known as the ship of the desert, stored fat in its hump, not water, contrary to popular belief. This fat converted to water and energy when needed. How did these creatures evolve such unique adaptations? Charles's findings sparked a revolution in understanding desert survival. Today, these adaptations inspire sustainable technology. Curious about nature's ingenuity? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.